Hi everybody, so today we're going to be making some grilled salmon and some green beans, and I have some organic quinoa and brown rice, 90 seconds in the microwave. So I have my 2 pieces of Faroe salmon that I got for $16. You could get less expensive salmon, but I like the Faroe Island salmon. It's got a very smooth taste. So I put a little bit of olive oil in my grill pan. I'm going to put my green beans in the microwave for about 3 minutes. I just want to get a little bit of color on the one side. A little bit of lemon. A little more lemon. A little bit of seasoning. This seasoning mix is in my recipes on my cooking list if you want to look that up. We'll let this cook for a couple minutes. The salmon should take about 8-9 minutes. 2 more minutes for the green beans, and then I'll go 90 seconds on my rice, and we'll be having some quinoa, brown rice, Faroe salmon, and green beans, all in about 10 minutes. You can't beat that. As usual, I will put a picture of the meal as the thumbnail, and enjoy your dinner. I know I'm going to be enjoying mine.